Okay, follow-up video to previous video. Car is fixed. Watch what happens when we turn it on. Smooth, smooth, smooth. And even though it does have the triangle, which sucks, that's from before, you can kind of hear the engine in the background under the normal startup. There is no check engine light anymore. So basically what happened was I reset all of the codes using my little trusty code reader here that I've had forever. I think I got it from Harbor Freight for like 15 bucks like 10 years ago. Maxiscan. Works with Gen 1 Prius. And I reset the codes. Then I ended up getting the p0300 and the 01 and the 02. Now, what I discovered when I looked at the ignition coils, the coil packs, is I'm going to hold this up. This is the number 4, so this is number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. You can probably already see what part of the problem was. I don't know anything about this stuff, you guys, at all. I'm clueless when it comes to this, but let's see here if we can see it in the light. I'm going to try to get a good image. There you can see the hairline crack on it. I don't know if it's really coming through. Yeah, just there. So I discovered that crack and I thought, okay, so maybe that's it. So I replaced that one with a new one from Amazon for like $50 some, delivered the next day. Perfect, right? So then when I reset the codes after that, it ran a little bit better. So then it was giving the cylinder 1, cylinder 2 misfire, 0301, 0302. So then I go and replace the 01, and you can barely see it. I don't know, maybe if I bring it up onto here, it might focus it a little bit better. There we go. So you can see that that's all the crack that was on, I think, the number 1 cylinder. And then I think this is the 02 cylinder here. Now that's got a pretty substantial crack there, right? So then I tried it out. Car worked just fine. You can still hear it in the background. I'm not going to show you. I mean, you don't really need to see under the hood. It's functioning fine. You can hear it's functioning fine. But then I decided to fix the 03, which wasn't even giving me an error after that. But look at the crack in this one. That's the widest one that there is. So anyway, that was the problem on my Prius. I fixed it. I just test drove it. Works great. Better fuel mileage with the new spark plugs and the new coil packs. All is good. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Otherwise, life is beautiful. It's sunshiny, and we're going to be able to drive our Prius.